In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock FPS in Roblox. So on your browser, search for Roblox FPS Unlocker and click on the official website. So in this page, this is the most up-to-date version, but it will change anytime because he often goes and releases new versions. So remember this important note. The developer has gone and included a virus report here that quite often this FPS unlocker is going to be flagged as a virus. It's because that's how it works, and adding it to Roblox and things like that. So let's move on to downloading this. But what you may need to do is temporarily go and post your antivirus if it's been detected as one. So once you've successfully downloaded it, what you need to do is go and close off your browser and open Downloads folder on your computer, or you can drag this onto your desktop for easy access. So when you double tap on the FPS Unlocker, you will see this. It means that it is now running. So at the bottom right of your window, click on the Show Hidden Icons button. You will then go and see the FPS Unlocker in here. Right click on it and click on FPS Cap. And you can go and choose a cap if you'd like. And that's it, guys. You can now go and enjoy Roblox with a lot more FPS. If you want to know your FPS on Roblox, just click left shift plus F5. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.